Bitcoin is everywhere. It's on the news, in conversations, and even in big businesses. But starting your journey feels overwhelming, doesn't it? Wallets, exchanges, scams. What if it didn't have to be this way? For many, the fear of scams or making a mistake stops them before they even begin. Confusion and doubt leave millions on the sidelines of the biggest financial revolution of our time. It doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Making Crypto Easy. Own your first Bitcoin in just 30 days. This is powerful new content from Norm Bond. A simple, step-by-step guide designed for beginners. No jargon, no guesswork, just results. Imagine confidently buying Bitcoin, securing it safely, and even using it for purchases, donations, or investments. This guide shows you how, one step at a time. No stress, no confusion, just results you'll be proud of. Don't let confusion or fear hold you back. Join the Bitcoin revolution today. Get your copy of Making Crypto Easy, own your first Bitcoin in just 30 days, and start your journey to financial empowerment. Get your guide now. Click below.